Close your eyes and imagine a camera that doesn't want to be a computer. In a world obsessed with megapixels, AI-generated fake bokeh, and social media integration, there is a ghost in the machine. A line of cameras that feels more like a mechanical heart than a digital sensor. For years, the Fujifilm X-Pro series has been the outsider. The rebel. The choice of street photographers who want to disappear into the shadows of New York or Tokyo. But the wait for the successor to the legendary X-Pro 3 has been long, perhaps too long. Some whispered that the line was dead, that the X100 series had swallowed its soul. But they were wrong. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most controversial, most anticipated, and most analog digital camera ever made. This is the story of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are watching this, you aren't just a casual shooter. You are someone who values the click of a tactile dial over a touchscreen menu. You are the kind of person who wants a camera that challenges you. In this video, we are going to explore why the X-Pro 4 is about to become the most important release of 2026. We are going to look at the like a killer sensor, the revolutionary hybrid viewfinder that finally solves the parallax problem, and the internal stabilization system that shouldn't fit in a body this slim. But more importantly, we're going to talk about the philosophy of the hidden screen and why Apple and Sony are terrified of what Fujifilm has done here. Let's start with the heritage. To understand the X-Pro 4, you have to understand the void left by the X-Pro 3. When that camera launched, it divided the photography world. The hidden screen was called a gimmick by some and a masterpiece of focus by others. Fujifilm took a gamble. They bet that photographers wanted to stay in the moment, not in the playback menu. With the X-Pro 4, they haven't just doubled down on that bet. They've perfected the architecture. The heart of this new beast is the 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. This is the same high-resolution powerhouse found in the X-H2 and X-T5, but tuned specifically for the X-Pro's unique color science. In the USA, where street photography and documentary work are seeing a massive revival, this resolution is a game-changer. It allows you to crop into a scene in post-production without losing that film-like grain that Fujifilm is famous for. But it's not just about resolution. It's about the X Processor 6. This new brain allows for subject detection autofocus that feels like magic. It doesn't just track eyes, it tracks the intent of the photographer. It recognizes the difference between a person walking by and a person posing for a portrait. It is silent, it is invisible, and it is deadly accurate. But here is where the X-Pro 4 separates the professionals from the amateurs, the viewfinder. For years, the hybrid multi-viewfinder has been the crown jewel of the X-Pro series. The ability to switch between an optical window, giving you the real-world view, and a high-resolution EVF. In the X-Pro 4, the EVF has been upgraded to a 5.76 million dot OLED panel. It is so fast, so bright, and so clear that you will forget you are looking at a screen. But the OVF is where the soul lives. Fujifilm has implemented a new, active overlay technology that projects your focus points and exposure data onto the glass with zero lag. It feels like an Iron Man HUD